Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Man, I am so excited. I received a new card a few days ago, and I must tell you, I had vowed not to apply for any credit cards until I got my next Chase credit card. And earlier in October, I received a new Freedom Flex card, so I knew it was time to apply for another card. And I finally got a card that I've been waiting to get for well over a year. And I've been wanting to add this card to my arsenal for quite some time. Hey, welcome to Points Blank Travel, everyone. My name is Rod. On this channel, we talk about credit. We talk about credit cards, personal finance, points and miles, how to travel around the country or around the world for little or no money out of your pocket. If this is something you're interested in, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up. It really helps it get pushed out to people that may want to learn about information like this. Share it with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. And with all that being said, let's roll, baby. Hey, here it is, credit card number 26 that I recently applied for and was approved. And a few days ago, it came in the mail, and that is the U.S. Bank Cash Plus Visa Signature Card, baby. I am so glad to have this card. I've been waiting to get this card for quite a while, but I wanted to get either the Chase Freedom card or one of the Business Inc. cards first because I knew I was very close to the 524 rule, but I have that card in my arsenal, and I am so excited because this card stands out from other cards that have 5% categories because it allows you to choose the categories that you want to earn 5% cash back on. Now, what I want to do right now is I want to go over some of the reasons that I was so interested in this card. First and foremost, the welcome bonus, man. You will receive a $200 welcome bonus after spending $500 in the first 3 months after you open your account, man. That is, oh my God, that is ridiculous. I mean, the return on your spend is so great. How can you not take advantage of this? And I'm gonna say it right now, this is one of the most underrated cards that's out there in the credit card space. It's one of the most underrated cards out there. You rarely hear people talking about it. Now, this card does not come with an annual fee. It has no annual fee, which made me more inspired to get this card. And when it comes to the rewards, unlike other cards, when you have 5% categories like the Discover It or the Freedom Flex, you know, Chase and Discover, they choose the 5% categories for you, but the U.S. Bank Cash Plus card allows you to choose your own categories. It'll allow you to choose two categories to receive 5% cash back on in combined purchases up to $2,000 each quarter. Now, one of the things you have to look at, you have to activate the bonus categories each quarter. What I did when I received my card and was able to go in and do some of the specifications that I wanted, I set up a notification to receive via email, and it gave me a chance to say, okay, up to 45 days prior to you having to select your next bonus categories, you'll receive an email. And I was so excited. I'm like, okay, that's pretty cool, because I'm used to Discover sending me an email probably 2 weeks or a week before it's time to choose the next category. I just received the Freedom Flex, so I'm not sure how soon Chase will do that. But I'm telling you right now, I am beyond excited to have the U.S. Bank Cash Plus card. Okay, the 5 cashback categories with the U.S. Bank Cash Plus card are TV, internet, and streaming services. This is something they recently added. You also have fast food. Do not mix that up with restaurants, because you're going to see that later, that restaurants is an entirely different category. When they say fast food, they're thinking of Wendy's, McDonald's, Subway, realistic fast food. You also have cell phone providers, your AT&T, your Verizon, your T-Mobile, department stores, your Dillard's, your Nordstroms, your Macy's, Home utilities, select clothing stores, and I really didn't break this one down, and it's probably not a category I'm going to choose anyway. Electronic stores like Best Buy and Fry's Electronics, sporting goods stores like Academy, Dick's Sporting Goods, movie theaters. I'm sure many people won't be using movie theaters right now. Gym and fitness centers, which is a great one. Furniture stores and ground transportation. Now, ground transportation is very broad. That's your buses, your subways, your taxis, your Lyfts, your Ubers. The U.S. Bank Cash Plus card also allows you to choose only one 2% category. And the 2% categories are grocery stores, gas stations, and restaurants. Now, when I look at this, I actually chose for my 5% category, I chose home utilities and fast food just for this quarter. And for my 2% category, I chose gas stations. You'll also earn 1% on all other purchases. Keep in mind, again, you must choose and activate your bonus categories each quarter before you can begin earning any additional rewards. If you don't, you're only going to get 1% on the card. You can select your categories beginning 45 days before the start of the upcoming quarter. Hey, the bottom line to maximizing rewards with the U.S. Bank Cash Plus card is choosing the bonus categories that best fit your spending habits, as well as looking at the other cards you may have in your wallet. If you have cards such as Discover It, the Freedom, or the Freedom Flex card, you can wait until they post their upcoming categories. Now, Discover It, you won't have to worry about it because Discover is pretty good. They'll let you know the entire year's bonus categories, but Chase is a little more secretive about it. But you can wait until once they publish what their 5% categories are going to be. You can actually then select which categories you want to choose with the U.S. Bank Cash Plus card. Again, I am so ecstatic about having this card. I got to show it once again. It is so plain, so simple, it's just a simple card, but I love the options that I'm going to have with this card. I've been waiting over a year to get it. I'm excited to have it in the arsenal. I'm about to add it to the wallet. I've already added it to the wallet. I'm not about to. But one thing I want to know is, what do you think about the U.S. Bank Cash Plus card? Is it a card that you may add to your arsenal? Is it a card that you may put in your wallet? Please tell me about it. Post it down in the comments below. Again, subscribe to the channel if you already haven't done so. Give this video a thumbs up. It really helps it get pushed out on YouTube to more people that can learn from information like this. Share it with your family, your friends, on your social media platforms. And with all that being said, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars, baby. Hope you're having a great day. I'll be coming at you soon, dropping even more knowledge. And until then, peace, baby.